This is UP and we're at the Academic Oval. It's raining. So, tapos kami sa meeting. Pupunta lang kami ng Luxent Hotel. It's ice cream time. I'm with Addy. Tapos na kami mag-dinner. Tsaka si Kuya. Kuya, ang pangalan mo?
Michael po.
Michael. Nasa College of Home Economics kami. And we're having ice cream. Ayan o, ayan yung sasakyan. Galing kami ng meeting. We're with the German publishers today. And after this ice cream, we'll be proceeding to Luxent Hotel. Sarap! Okay, bili na kayo kay Kuya Michael. Ayan, nasa gilid lang siya ng College of Home Economics. Okay, andito lang. UPIS saka Home Economics. Okay, nasa corner lang siya. Masarap yung ice cream. Avocado flavor. The best. Bye-bye.